days ago, I was going about my business. I just saw Mewalaka, and I think I did a video in, you know, just so that it shows that I saw what is happening. Sincerely, I haven't seen the video of the sex, but trust me, the threesome, I don't want to see it. I know if I see it, I will throw up. I'm not interested in seeing it. If I see it, I most likely will not even look at it. Do you understand? I most likely will not look at it. Not because I am holy than that. Who told you people that? Who told you people that? But there comes a time in everyone's life, you will know that there are some lifestyle that is not good. There's a particular age that you will find doing such a thing. You will think, oh, it is peer pressure. Oh, I got to belong. Oh, in fact, some people do it for money. Do you understand? Some people do it for money, to put food on their table. So there are many reasons why some is just that they are promiscuous. So, do Sisi Alagbo and Engineer Kono, do they fall into this category? Of course not. The little we know about Sisi Alagbo, God has blessed her. I don't know her age, but I want to guess she should be in her 30s. I may be wrong. And that guy too, Akim, he looks like someone that is in his 30s or 40s. You know, people that are short. Sorry. It's people that are short. In your kukuru bilisi. Sorry, dwarfs, if you are here. Me too, I'm one of you people. I'm just 5'3", kukuru. But for a man, when you are that height, gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ kó fi ga, ó ti fi ṣónú. Don't forget, Engineer Kono on this our platform, is a typical example of a man in the society that I do not like how they treat women. So it's not in our good book. It's not. On this platform, it's not in our good book because of his antecedent. If you make sense from what I'm saying, because of his antecedent, know me for one thing. I am not in any way a feminist. Know me for one thing. I am not a feminist. I'm not the type that's, you know, if it is a man that is doing it right, I will agree with you people and say, no, this man is doing it right. So it's not, let's not say because he's a woman that is a crying wolf now. You know that one. Some of you will fight me and say, no, he's the one. I say, no. Okuni lo jari. But on this, our own platform, Engineer Kono has a terrible reputation. Horrible antecedent, which we have addressed. Some of you probably didn't agree with me. I can't remember. But for me, I will just state my stance and use that in analyzing what is on ground. Now, Engineer Kono His name is Akim. Came into our cyberspace suddenly. Who brought him into our cyberspace? Sisi Alagbo. Nobody knows him. And this was when Sisi Alagbo's mother, godmother, because, you know, if anyone you look up to, do you understand? And you call your role model, we just would say automatically godmother. So, Mewalaka and Sisi Alagbo started this brouhaha, and Engineer Koron went into his car and trashed Mewalaka. That was when they opened their yash, and then some of us that didn't notice them, yeah, we were able to now understand that, oh, Mewalaka went to do shop opening. Mewalaka is close to them. Mewalaka is a godmother to Sisi Alagbo. Mewalaka this, Mewalaka that. And the way the whole thing played out, I sat here that day and I told Mewalaka, I told her to hold her peace. And I told Sisi Alagbo that this thing, now here we go there, she's going to regret. Let me tell you people one thing. Look at adults. When look, you see some people that talk to many of you, whoa, Rita, whoa, Jade, whoa, more, what's up? If you've been around, you've done that. When kids are doing stuff, the way you'll be laughing because you already know where that thing will end. And if you are quick to call those kids and call their attention, come, my daughter, come, my junior, or come, my goddaughter, this thing you are going, Google, be careful. Express low why. Koma lo. Padanu emi. If they advise you like that and you quickly hear, o ma sheyan lanfani. But with the way this Sisi Alagbo was behaving then, she refused to listen to her godmother. And of course, Sisi Alagbo's mother. Mama, I hope you are seeing how you aided and abetted your child. When sometimes Tara taban pe akiyesi si nkan pe this thing you are doing is not good. Do it this way, do it that way. It's always good that you listen, especially when the person is elderly to you. Many people told Sisi Alagbo that period, that time, if nobody, at least I remember that I seconded Mewalaka to tell her then that this engineer Koron that she's with, it's a no-no. She's going to regret it. She will regret it. Obanyo. If you know her, go and tell her. Obanyo. Koti bajeo. I remember the mother came out. And the mother was saying stuff like, Abiamaye, they should help her, save her from Mewalaka. And that was when I said, if I am in Mewalaka's shoe, I will back off. I will stay aloof. It surprises me that I see many of you abusing Mewalaka. Oh, Jobi Loju. It surprises me. Yeah, you see, maybe Mewalaka, yeah. Of course, she will still have them within. She will still not, be hurting, definitely. Yes, she's the one that came to talk about it, this threesome. You understand? this threesome, she's the one that came to talk about it. Metasom, I will call it Metasom. You understand? She's the one that came to talk about it. But is she the one that shared it? They said this video has been out there since January. We are in 1st of May. So the video has been out there. I'm going to play something Mewalaka said. Mewalaka allegedly said they have been using it to obtain money from Sisi Alagbo. 2. 3. The people that watch the video and that I listen to them, from Mewalaka to one guy like that, I don't know what people call that guy, but it's on TikTok. I listen to few people that, you know, watch it, and I heard them say that Sisi Alagbo was naked there, but she wasn't the one that they were, this irresponsible, dirty boy, and they said his penis has lakpa. Some people said it's not lakpa, it's dry skin. Oni kuru no ni bobo oko. And he was stopping this girl. The girl, it is alleged that the girl is a 20 years old girl. I want you to take time and listen up. 20 years old girl, whom the mother, she's a university student. The mother brought her. The mother is the one that is friend with Sisi Alagbo. Because at first, it was alleged that the lady is Sisi Alagbo's friend. I kept calm. I was waiting to see if, okay, maybe it's a friend, even, you know. But later, it was discovered that the girl is a 20 years old girl who is in the University of Ibadan. That, you know, since she was, they said she lives around the Korodu, that her mother brought her to Sisi Alagbo to live with Sisi Alagbo during this, you know, school period. And the girl said that they drugged her. Torí mo fẹ́ kí ẹ̀yin tí adájọ́ tẹ́ ń dájọ́ ake kiri. You understand? Tẹ́ ń dájọ́ ake kiri, tẹ́ kàn ń dájọ́. So, meaning intentional. They intentionally carried a 20 years old girl who is vulnerable, who doesn't really put this child in the shoes of our children. My third born is the age of my third born, my demo. How many brain ni irú àwọn yẹn ní? A 20 years old child. 20. And the girl, are you listening? The girl went to stay with Sisi Alagbo, and Sisi Alagbo's husband with clear eyes. Sisi Alagbo was there naked. In fact, I learned she mentioned, Mama, you know, the way they said he was drilling the girl. The girl was so uncomfortable, wasn't enjoying it, no reciprocation, was not herself. To those that watch it and they analyzed it. Why are you, Agbagbo, why are you saying 23? I heard from the source, they said 20. What is your issue? 20 and 23. Is it still, why are you going on and on? 20 and 23. Is it any age to even talk about? Why are you people like this? At 23, at 20. Don't type anything there. Amama sọ̀rọ̀ lọ báyìí, ẹ máa minute on nonsense. Nǹkan tó jẹ́ problem gangan, ẹ ní kọjú sí yẹn, kẹjẹ́ ká sọ ká yànnàná ẹ̀. You are writing it, you are going on, you are saying, at HND, at university, there's no difference. That is not the bone of contention. I don't want you typing here again. As I was saying, before this Ewagbo has been interrupting me, do you want to hear it where the person that knows the lady said the girl is 20 years old? You are here typing, no face. The guy that I said is the one that knows the girl, said the girl is 20. You are here saying is 23. Do you know the girl? Did you speak to the girl? Àwọn tó bá girl sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ní 20. You are here typing. They said University of Ibadan. You are here saying HND. What has that got to do with what the problem is? And sọ̀rọ̀ problem. You are talking about age. As I was saying, I don't know. What is the difference between 20 and 23? You know, initially, people thought that they carried the rumor that the girl is Sisi Alagbo's bestie. Now it's been discovered that the girl is not a friend. She's like Omo Aburo, that they went to put. The mother took the girl to Sisi Alagbo to live with Sisi Alagbo during school term. It is alleged that she's in UI, University of Ibadan. They spoke to her personally. I can play it. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Now, this girl, if a child of 20 years old is being put under this nuisance called Akim, and the wife, Sisi Alagbo, a child put under your care, you are videoing that child. And you know, Ewo, is either they told the girl, because I learned the girl is a very decent, easygoing, quiet lady. As at yesterday or today, the mother of the girl is yet to know pé ojú ẹ̀ wà lórí social media níbi tí wọ́n ti ń kùlùbọ́ ẹ̀. Tí Akim ti ń bá sùn ruggedly. Do you understand? Ibi tí Akim sleeping with this girl ruggedly. They carried the girl. They did that to her, Sisi Alagbo and Akim. Ibi tèmi ti ní problem nínú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ nílẹ̀. They did it. There was intention. You see, in law, if they are going to charge you to court for a case, an investigation is done thoroughly. Especially in the case of crime, they will always look for intent. Intent. And when they prove it beyond reasonable doubt that intention one be, they will give you the maximum of that charge. The intent there is that Sisi Alagbo purposely by wọ́n ní òun ló ń video. That's one. The intent there is that Sisi Alagbo, allegedly they said, I'm sure many of you that have watched it, said, Mama, is it like, stop, don't over knock the girl, don't mash moleshe. When this useless guy was, they said he was drilling the girl. They also said he was doing it like there was something, a reward for what he was doing. Look at it. The intention is there. Those two people are culprits. I don't want to hear where some of you saying the wife in fact, I will play Bewalaka what they claim Sisi Alagbo is claiming now that Ohun fantasize ni. That's her fantasy. How can you fantasize and destroy another person's life? Why didn't you use yourselves, the two of you? If it was the two of them, do you know I would advise us that kí ló wá kàn yín? Ṣebí ara wọn ni. The third party ọmọ tó wà ńbẹ̀ is the crime. The third party, that child there, that lady there, is the crime. I was told that the child, the girl, was also trying to cover up she was not at ease. They said she was drugged. They said she was drugged. So purposely, they carried themselves and did that. Even if they want to use it to promote their herb. Is it okay? Is it okay? Tí ó bá ń ṣe pé èdì lélẹ̀. Is it okay? And with wake Akim yẹn ṣe rí, how can a normal human being be looking at her husband be knocking another person? Bẹ́yìn. Tó bá ń ṣe pé another person ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Why didn't they go and bring Iya Ikmot? Ọmọ ọlọ́mọ that is not married to, that only came to spend time with them. You people are doing this is what they call slave, what? Trafficking people for sex, trafficking for XEX. Me, mo bí mo ṣe fẹ́, tí mo ṣe fẹ́ sọ, you know, so that I don't say things that would affect the page. Do you get me? This is what they call trafficking people for sex traffic. And you were doing it. You were doing it to dump in that child, that girl. They are criminals. Now the secondaries now will leak the video. Do you understand? But what has transpired? Do you know how many people are falling victim of these animals? What kind of wildness is that? Tí ń ṣe pé yàn mugbo, àbí yàn wà on cheap drug. What kind of wildness nìyẹn? Why tẹ́ ṣe lọ mú Iya Ikmot? Why didn't they go and get Iya Ikmot? Tí nuisance bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ó ti san well, ó ti san at least ó fẹ́. They should have at least invited Iya Ikmot. Why that child? Why did they do that kind of video? What is the aim? What is the purpose? That you will just stand, tó ń ṣe pé òun fa cheap drug. Irú wildness wo nìyẹn? Irú fantasy òṣì wo nìyẹn? Irú nonsense and ingredient wo nìyẹn? Irú jagbajagba wo nìyẹn? Ní ìwọ tí ò ń fi aṣọ borí. Ní ìwọ tó ń pe ara ẹ ní ọmọ ẹ̀sìn. Bó ti ẹ̀ ń ṣọmọ ẹ̀sìn. Ní ìwọ tí wọ́n bí nínú ilé Mùsùlùmí. Akimu. Then somebody is videoing you. If you have not been doing it, if you are not that kind of horrible person, tó ẹ pé lifestyle yín bó ṣe dọ̀tí nìyẹn, èèyàn ò lè, simple pé o fẹ́ lọ toilet. Do you know if somebody is standing and you want to poo-poo, it won't come? Because ojú máa ń tì dọ̀tí. It won't come. Except and only if you are so used to that person that you can, even fat, ofe fisosi. Do you know that some people, they can't fart in front of their husband? Ó máa níbi tẹ́tí bàdé kí so tó lè bọ́lá. So for you, kí okó ẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe sọ pé okó ẹ tó ní làpálàpá kó tó lè máa ṣì stand well when somebody is videoing you. Tẹ́ni yẹn ò sí nínú performance yẹn. And for her to be naked, definitely I I believe that maybe that girl held the video first. You understand? And they did. Then, ó wá ní ó yá turn ṣó ti rí pé mi náà ṣe. Ó yá, ìwọ náà ṣe kí n video ẹ̀. So because I don't know the videos you people have seen, there's no way, nobody can tell me that they too, they didn't do, they did. There's no way to make that girl feel at ease. And for them to lure that girl into that deep something, how they lured her into it, I am so sure that's why they said that she was naked. Let us listen to Mewalaka and you will hear some things. Please, Mewalaka, I'm going to play your video here. I'm going to play your video here. I'm going to play your video here. I know I kept it somewhere. Let's listen to Mewalaka. Please. I just want to hear something.
Part 2. The kókó tó fàjà ni wípé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí mo ti bá wọn wí tí mo ti sọ wípé báyìí mo sọ wípé èmi o Mewalaka o I won't be a party to ẹni tó máa bá yín drag ìyálé nǹkan tó wù tí ìyálé yẹn bá ti ṣe ní pàṣẹ ló bí mo rí kẹ́ tó fẹ́ ẹni bóyá ó ṣàgbèrè ni kò kàn mí ó ti fẹ́ yàwó lé ṣe déédéé ntí mo fi ṣe engineer nìyẹn ohun tí wọ́n fi bọ́ sórí social media tán ní mo fẹ́ máa dictate life wọn now ohun tẹ́mi wá ní mi ò lè ṣe ẹ ti rí àwọn blogger tó ṣe tí wọ́n lọ bá tí wọ́n turn table against ìyá Ikima débi wípé wọ́n make sure wípé kò tiẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ rà láàánú ìyẹn náà ní kèmí ṣe mú ní mi ò lè ṣe nítorí mo bímọ tèmi mi dẹ̀ nítorí wípé mo fẹ́ràn ẹ̀ kájọ pawọ́pọ̀ bá tèmi jẹ́ mi ṣe blogger.
Mewalaka, please see, I don't know. Wait, sorry, Mewalaka. You see, I don't know what is making you people feel that bloggers are meant to come out and destroy people's lives. I'm not a blogger, but I see a lot of people calling me blogger. You understand? So I'm tired. I cannot be revoking. I cannot be saying I'm not a blogger. I'm tired. So I'm not ready to keep. But that's not true. Being a blogger does not mean that you have to come out and support what is wrong and support or do things wrong or, you understand, lie or, I mean, say things that are not, I don't even know how to explain it. Being a blogger, okay, like in my own case, I always say to people, I simply just see what is trending and I talk about it. What can we learn from it? How can I, critically analyze it? And, if there are things that we can also chastise. And of course, especially when they are celebrities, we can learn from it. May we not be used for, to learn, when things, horrible things from us. But it is what it is. It happens. Do you understand? So I don't know why you people always think that when people like me, when we come out, it is to come and destroy. No. That's not blogging. Blogging is not for people to destroy other people, to lie over issues or no. So it should not be categorized under blogging. It should be categorized under the person. Yeah, under the person that chose to come and lie or to be saying horrible things or to lie on people, defame character, curse on people. That is not the attributes that should be, identified with bloggers. No. It's ongoing, but I don't know how else that sometimes when we talk about something, you just hear bloggers, blogger. Meanwhile, to be very sincere, it is you people, the people that are not bloggers or do not talk on social media. Many of you people are even the cause of majority of the problems on the social media. It's not about bloggers, and it's not about anybody that talks. Yeah, if they talk bad, rubbishly, stupidly and everything, doesn't mean that it is blogging. Just identify them with it. Most time, identify them with it that Lagbaja is opinion. It's their opinion. It is not blogging. That is not blogging. Blogging is not about lying. Just a correction there, because I see that when people want to say horrible things, they just categorize it under bloggers. I'm not a blogger that will come and destroy. Like, I'm not a blogger that will come and take side with nonsense. No, on this matter, ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ wà light lie. Sisi Alagbo and what is his name? Akim. They are criminals. Yes. Under the law, they are criminals. And I can tell you that they are culpable for, if that girl gets a good lawyer, they will be sentenced, because what that boy did to her is RAPE or a because she was not with a sane mind when that was done to her. And they also recorded it. Evidence to yapani. Recorded it. Could share with a sane mind. What was the purpose? The intention is there. That's number one thing. They should just be charged to court and go to jail for it. If that girl has a good lawyer, she has case. Only case baje. I don't want to hear all this I can't understand what you people are saying. I'm looking at it from the legal aspect of things. I am looking at it from the legal aspect of things. Can I even shock you if she was paid to do it equally? That is human trafficking for sex. Yes. One more. Do you know that human trafficking? One more danu. There are laws that binds all these things. That's why that you people's minister be, what was he, senator? Oh, Losie one human trafficking for organ. Yes. First of his kind. Oh, your organ at intensity one. Doctor Oja won si. O de wo case yen. O shin share, o shin je wa ilowo. Baked beans láàárọ̀ àti hot dog. Ìyàwó ló ti jáde. Wa light a lie. Sisi Alagbo and what's this other one's name? They are culpable. All you need is a good lawyer to prove your case. And there you go. And one this thing you people are, if it's them, their body alone, that's their bloody business. That's why I'm not interested. Mi owo. Analysis is going best and 30 owo. That is what I don't want to know. No, I don't want to know. Yeye me, please. TMS House just posted a post where the girl and Mr. Akin chatted that she enjoyed his dick, man. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Let me tell you, I do not want to know. Toyin Oladiran, all those bullshit you're talking about is nonsense. Bullshit you're talking about is nonsense. I do not want to know. As long as that girl is a young girl, kept under the care of Sisi Alagbo, she should, except to pay ori get yen ope ati ìyá ẹ̀, they should make sure they go further on that case. I don't want to know. Vulnerability and naivety, it's two things. Vulnerability and naivety is two things. What I will advise the girl to do is to make sure that video as it's circulating, because maybe the girl herself has not even seen the video. What could do video esitani? I don't want to know. I am concerned about that girl that was put under their care, under the care of Sisi Alagbo as a student, a younger person. She's vulnerable because she's living with them. Then they were knocking her, and they were videoing her. Come on now. What do you mean? What are you talking about? They should be taking arrest. There's no long story. If she has a good lawyer, they are charged to court. What dem a share one? If it is here in this country, and want ya, any to wá gbé video, any to video. Obviously, you want a video phone any, báwo ló ṣe leak out. How did it leak out? And the child, the girl involved. You are a married man. The girl involved is a single girl, still in school. Títí yín bá ti bàjẹ́, ṣé ẹ ní that if it's ọmọ yẹn kún ni. Do you get me? The intention is there. Intent is what we always look for when it comes to law. Intent. And the intention is there. They did it. Yes, the girl is an adult. The story has it that in the video, it clearly shows that she was covering up. I didn't watch the video, but from where I heard it, that she was covering and she was not reciprocating. How can you say that the girl enjoyed it when the girl is supposed to be the husband to her older or her mother's friend? Is the girl the second one? Is the girl ìyá Ikmot? Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ní àdáni, ó yẹ kí wọ́n, tó bá pé Saudi ni, wọ́n máa gé orí Hakeem yìí sílẹ̀ ni. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Saudi ni, wọ́n máa gé orí ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ni. Because he's not married to that girl. What he has done is that ó rape ọmọ yẹn ni. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Saudi ni, wọ́n á gé orí ẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Bọ́dí ẹ̀ tó kù kékeré yẹn, wá lọ gbé lọ sí ibi tí àṣetánì wà, wá stone ẹ̀. Òkú ẹ̀, orí ẹ̀ gangan máa wà ní orí grass. Wá gbé lọ síbi tí wá tún stone ẹ̀. Àṣetánì ni. What are you people talking about? He's not married to the girl. The girl is supposed to be living with them, with a Sisi Alagbo. The girl is supposed to be living with Sisi Alagbo. So how can you? It is rape. Because if the girl has a case, they should not use that one to manipulate the girl. You are a very dirty boy, Hakeem. You are a dirty boy. You are the most useless since the history of men that are irresponsible on the social media. You are one of it. You are the first. I want to kuta and riti wo useless. Wo ṣètò. Ìwọ ló lówó, o ní súrà. Wo tún ní àkàtàǹpàkò ẹ. Àkàtàǹpàkò ẹ pé kúrú náà wà ńbẹ̀ báyìí ni pé gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ti gbẹ. O tún wá. You are bringing a chat. The same you that sat down in the car and was insulting the godmother of your wife. Her role model. Huh? Someone that is so young that is living with you people. How can you convince me? How can you convince me? There's no way. Let the mother of the girl take action. Yes, let the mother of the girl, because, you know, You people sit down and think about it. We can't use our children for such illustration. I'm sorry, I can't use my child to, put in that shoe. You can't use your children. Imagine somebody that is a friend brought the child to Sisi Alagbo to live with Sisi Alagbo, and she put her husband to be knacking the girl. Ẹ sọ fún mi. Just try and explain it to me. How make it make sense? Just tell me, how do you want me to? Just explain it to me. Obviously, they bullied that child, that girl. Obviously. Just tell me, how can you do that to a girl and you videoed her? What was your intention? What was the purpose of that video? How did the video get out there? Mewalaka said it was this irresponsible guy called Hakim that put this thing out. In the history of Facebook or social media, we have seen many cases of irresponsible men, rubbish men. But this one, beats me hands down. I have never seen very useless, irresponsible people like these people. Assuming it's only the two of them. Wallahi, I will tell you people, it's the same thing like Tiwa Savage. What's you people should be abeni, ìdí wọn ni, ọkàn wọn, ẹ dà wọ́n nù. Ẹ wò kẹfì, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ fi hold body, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dẹ̀ kọ anything. Bloody life fún wọn ni. But the third party, ọmọ tí ò tí marry, ẹ wá gbé ojú ọmọ yẹn síta. Kí wá ń ṣe ojú lásán, ẹ video ẹ ń do. Ìwọ useless guy yìí. To ma description tó ní okó ẹ̀ ṣe rí, wọ́n ní description okó ẹ̀ pé ó ní kúrú náà pé gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ló gbẹ báyìí. And that girl in the future, ó máa fẹ́ lọ́kọ. The same way Sisi Alagbo destroyed her destiny. You people ń wá ẹni kúnra, ẹ kó ọmọ yẹn, ẹ fi tí yín kó bá ọmọ yẹn. That is who and where I want us to look at it from. Nǹkan tó ṣe yẹ kẹ́ ṣe wọ́n nìyẹn. Ẹ̀yin méjèèjì. That is the reason why you people need to go to jail. For rape, for drugging. And I'm very sure that you capitalize on the child, on that girl's vulnerability. Yes, she was vulnerable. Because I learned she's a daughter to a friend. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́tí ẹ lọ wo kúrú náà kó yẹn, mo ranka dédé yín. Well done. Èmi ò ń wò kú o. Mi ò dẹ̀ ní interest láti wò. I'm glad that many of you have seen it and you have told us what you saw. Ẹ káàbọ̀. In fact, I heard that the girl, she's so nervous that she can't even come and speak online because of the fact that she's scared of them, that they are going to kill the, case. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá wá gba bribe. That girl needs a good lawyer. You have a case, my dear. You have a case. I know they put mouth for all these social media shenanigans, but you have a case. If you are in Ibadan, contact me. Let me give you a lawyer. Contact me. Let me give you a lawyer. I don't do it. I don't get myself involved with àwọn onídọ̀tí. But on this matter, for you, if your mother don't act, I don't expect you to sweep it under the carpet. They are supposed to pay for it. Especially that idiotic guy called engineer Kono. I don't know why. That guy from day one, I said my mind. Sisi Alagbo is going to regret. Oh my regret. Go and watch my video. Oh my regret. I don't like what I don't like. Me dem potting kon. I don't like what I don't like. Oh, the couple has to be arrested and charged. Okay. Yeah, it's not even a matter of even if they arrest them, they can't be there for more than 24 hours. They would only interrogate them, and then of course they will get their lawyers, and then they will definitely be charged to court. Except it's not what you people saw, what you people explained that you saw in the video that I'm talking about. If what you people saw and explained that we are hearing the cases, the guy, they will go to jail. They will go to jail, because I can imagine that girl is not the only victim. She is not the only victim. There are other victims near boy. I don't care if the wife or Sisi Alagbo, if she is the one, she want videoing. Oh no, oh my lọ. Forget about own shagbo, own shekini kon. I law tó bá wá dé àti cool off. Our bẹ̀rẹ̀ all over again. Inú ẹ̀wọ̀n yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn méjèèjì máa ti separate. Yes, because the lifestyle that is horrible. Ṣé ẹ mú gbó ni? Igbó gan ò ṣèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bí wèrè bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ṣé èèyàn bá fẹ́ ṣe threesome, bó fẹ́ ṣe àbí metasome, bó fẹ́ ṣe kíní, you can do it with Iya Ikmot tó bá gbà fún yín. Since you are married to Iya Ikmot, why use an innocent child tí ò tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ ayé? It's not married, kò bímọ. Why títí yín tó ti lànà? Why tẹ́ ṣe ń fẹ́ àwọn èèyàn kúnra? Èló lẹ ní? Mélòó ni ẹ̀yin yẹn ní ná? How much do you people have? Ìwọ kọ́ran yẹn dẹ̀rẹ́. Oh, ní nǹkankan. You are a pauper. You are a gigolo. Living on stipends. Tí Sisi Alagbo ń fún ẹ. Lẹ wá ń torí ẹ̀. Èló lẹ ní tẹ́ ń torí ẹ̀ fẹ́ bá yá àwọn young youth jẹ ní ìlú Ìbàdàn tó wà yẹn. Ìwọ Sisi Alagbo, èló ló ní? God, tọ́lọ́ bá máa ṣọlá fún some of you ju bí ó ṣe fún yín yìí. You people will do well so. If God bless you people more than how he has blessed you, some of you, èló ni Ọlọ́run ti bless yín pẹ̀lú. Tẹ́ sọlé ayé di Sodom and Gomorrah. If you want to do it with yourself, wallahi, to me, I don't care. It's your bloody life. Ohun ẹ kò gbà jẹ́ kẹ́ gbé ajá wá kó bá yín sùn. It's your body. It's not anybody's body. It's your bed. Ohun ẹ kẹ́ wá tọ́kọ ẹ kẹ́ gbé ara yín báyìí kẹ́ bloody life fún yín nìyẹn. But that third party, why? Why? Ẹ wá bring her into the world. Why do you people do that? What is your intention? What is your intention? Why did you people do that? And they said this thing has been out since last December. Let's listen to Mewalaka. Sorry, I don't know why I stopped it.
Ó dùn mí tí bá ní kò dùn mí irọ́ ni mo pa. Ó dùn mí ṣùgbọ́n mo fà sẹ́yìn. Àmọ́ fífà sẹ́yìn ni ẹ̀wọ̀n tó bí. Ẹ̀wọ̀n tí mò ń sọ. Now àwọn tí wọ́n wá gbà láti bà parọ́ mọ́ ìyá Ikima. Tí wọ́n bá àbí wọ́n bá débi wípé wọ́n command engineer wípé torí pé ìyá Ikima ṣe fídíò wípé kò gbọdọ̀ lọ sí ilé mọ́ kó lọ báyàwó ẹ̀ ó pa ìyá létí. Àwọn náà ní fídíò yìí ti kọ́kọ́ bọ́ sí lọ́wọ́. Ìgbà tó bọ́ sí wọn lọ́wọ́, èmi wọ́n fún mi. Ẹni tó wá fún mi rò wípé nítorí wípé Eniola ti ṣẹ̀ mí, wípé I will be eager to post it. That I will be eager to sell it to bloggers. Kán fi bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́. Ohun tí mo sọ fẹ́ nìyẹn ni wípé wọ́n máa gbé ẹ. Wípé tí fídíò yẹn bá jáde máa make sure wípé wọ́n arrest ẹ. Mo ti ń patch kìíní láti January.
Can you imagine? Láti January.
Mo ti ń patch ẹ̀ kó má jẹta. Ṣé rí jíjáde tí mo jáde ní ìjẹta àti àná, mo ti gbọ́ wípé wọ́n ti leak ẹ̀. Mo mọ̀ wípé Eniola ń sanwó fún àwọn the so-called defender tí wọ́n bá ṣe blogger tí wọ́n bá ń blog ìyá tí wọ́n bá ń drag ìyá Ikima ní aláìda wípé kí tó fi parọ́ mọ́ ìyá Ikima. Wọ́n ti ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ nígbà tí ò lè sanwó mọ́. Wọ́n fẹ́ gbé síta. Mo mọ̀ wípé ó máa jáde. Èmi tí ẹ̀ tí mọ̀ wípé ó ti jáde kò tí ì kárí ni kì í ṣàsìkò tó kárí lẹ̀ rí. Ó ti jáde. Àwọn èèyàn ti rí. Èèyàn bíi 2 mẹ́ta ti sẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀ sí mi wípé ẹ̀sìn ọmọ ẹ̀ dé. Ọlọ́run ti gbèjẹ́. Tọ́lọ́run bá máa gbèjà èèyàn kì í ṣe bíi wípé kọ́mọ ẹnìkejì ṣẹ̀sìn. Ọlọ́run máa ń fi ààyè ìdáríjì sílẹ̀. Ara ló ta mí wípé ohun tí mò ń sọ rèé. Ẹ wá mọ tó dùn mí báyìí. Wọ́n ní kí Eniola máa sọ báyìí kó sọ wípé fantasy òun ni òun lòún demand fún.
Á lọ sẹ́wọ̀n ni.
Alufulani Sheikh Dr. Alufulani bàbá dáadáa. Alájà Alámàlà ọkọ mi èmi a ṣe 3-way conference pẹ̀lú Eniola. Tí Eniola ń sunkún tó ń rá bàbá tó lóun ti ṣẹ̀ mí kó máa bẹ̀ mí just ní alẹ́ ìjẹta. Ó dẹ̀ sọ ń bẹ́ nígbà tí ìgbà yẹn lọ sọ wípé mo ní kí ló bẹ́ẹ̀ débẹ̀ ó ní fantasy òun ni ẹ̀gbọ́n mi lóòótọ́ ni Eniola jẹ́ ọmọ ìgboro lóòótọ́ na street babe bọ̀ mo mọ límìtì Eniola ó bẹ ìgbẹ́ ìyá kì í dọ́kọ̀ ó ń dún àfojúdì ẹ mọ àwọn ọmọ onípẹrẹpẹpẹ oníbẹbẹbẹbẹ ìyá ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan ní kó tún máa sọ báyìí nípa ara ẹ̀ ní wípé kó sọ wípé òun lòún dìmáàndì fún wípé fantasy òun ni engineer ló post and still repeat engineer ló post fídíò yẹn lórí platform tó remove immediately táwọn ẹyin tó máa download ẹ ti download ẹ not Eniola ṣùgbọ́n ẹ tún ti sọ̀rọ̀ sẹ́niọlá lẹ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni kó sọ wípé òun lòún post ẹ̀ ẹni kó sọ wípé òun lòún ní request fún gbogbo Eniola inú ìgbèkùn tó wà Ọlọ́run ayọ̀ ẹ o ló wà fọwọ́fà ẹni o
òun ló mọ̀ tá a bá lọ gbọ́kọ lọ́kọ
Ọlọ́run ayọ̀ ẹ gbogbo àdúrà tí Dr. Alufulani dẹ̀ ṣe fún ẹ á gbà lórí ẹ ṣùgbọ́n tó bá tiẹ̀ máa parọ́ ọmọ rẹ̀ rántí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ rántí ọjọ́ ọ̀la ẹ̀ rántí àtúbọ̀tán sórí wọ́n á gbé kúrò lára ẹ̀ social media á gbé kúrò lára ẹ̀ ojú rẹ̀ ni tí ò ṣerú ẹ̀ rí ojú ò ṣe kìnnìkan ṣùgbọ́n àwọn náà tún máa lò against ẹ lọ́jọ́ iwájú dídò làṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́ tàtàn fún lóye o àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́ ò dọ́kọ̀ kò ṣòṣì o kò yí ẹ ọrọ̀ ajé ló ṣe o kán má ṣe sọ wípé ìwọ tí wọ́n bá ń tàn ẹ́ má tàn rẹ̀ òtútù gbà mọ́ra bá ń tọ́ ní kó o sọ ṣé o mọ̀ wípé ẹnjìníà ò bọ́ síta báyìí kó sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé o mọ̀ pé kò bọ́ síta kó sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé o mọ̀ pé nínú fídíò yẹn ìkan wà tó ń pariwo wípé máma pọ̀ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ abúrò pé mi ò rí fídíò yẹn ó sọ fún pé máma pọ̀ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ máma pọ̀ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ bóyá ká nípa ẹnìyẹn gan ní courage láti sọ̀rọ̀ síta ni who knows bóyá ṣe lẹ drug ẹnì kẹta ìmọ̀kàn ró ni o because the video ẹni bá fi ara balẹ̀ wò dáadáa mọ̀ pé something is fishy Eniola ó bẹ́ street babe ni ẹ́ ó clean ó ń ṣe saint bẹ́ẹ̀ mi náà ṣe bí mi yàn ṣe saint but you are not that stupid and you are not that dirty. Tabani ko rojo mo re. Tí wọ́n náà rò mọ́ rẹ̀. Ìfẹ́ náà mo tún fi ń sọ o. Ìfẹ́ náà ní o. Tí di bá bàjẹ́ tán. Tó ní di ládà. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti ọwọ́ yín náà ní fídíò ti jáde anyway. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá drag ìyá Ikimo. Ẹ̀yin lẹ pàpà wá share video. Kódà àmọ̀ yín. Ọlọ́run náà dẹ́ mọ̀ yín. Ẹ̀yin lẹ gbé fídíò jáde. Ẹ fẹ́ kó gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń drag mi tá ẹ̀ sọ wípé ẹ fẹ́ kí n bínú sọ wípé màá dẹ́ gbé jáde kẹ́ wá hide sábẹ́ mi ni. Mo gbọ́n ju yín lọ. Mo smart ju yín lọ. Ẹ̀yin ni. Àmọ́ ẹni tó forward ẹ̀. Ó ẹ̀yin nu. Ọlọ́run ni. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́pọ̀ lè wájà. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́pọ̀ lóko wá.
Exactly.
Ẹ̀yin.
Sorry. Exactly. Moyoluwa, from the beginning, Mewalaka said the man is a gigolo. We didn't understand it. Now we know it's true. Because the fact that those of you that watched the video that said he was knocking like this, the girl, gigolo lo man ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Go and watch boy tí man post it, ó man ṣe pẹ̀lú Láìdé Bákàrè. The recent one, he did it with Foluke Daramola. He does the kí lorúkọ ẹ̀, you people know him. He's aṣẹ́wó ni, as in gigolo ni. Exactly. Only that Ọlọ́run ò fún Ejina Koran ní handsomeness ti boy yẹn ni. Kò tún ga nílẹ̀, ó tún ṣe ní dánkù. Do you understand? Ọlọ́run mọ̀ pé kò dá, kò fún ní look, kò fún anything. Don't come and abuse me, oh. You know that's how you climb the pulpit. To bẹ̀ sí bú Mewalaka. Because that's how you do. You tell ọkùnrin, mo ti mọ̀ pé you will ṣiṣẹ́, you will jábọ́, ó máa jábọ́ because of the actions you took. Tí ọkùnrin bá ti wà tó ti rò pé bóyá o gbójúlé Ògùn àbí nǹkan kan pé o ti fi mú Sisi Alagbo, ó wá bọ́ sínú mọ́tò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bú obìnrin, bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀ pátápátá. Mo ti mọ̀ pé ó máa tó fọ́. Ó máa jábọ́. Ó máa fall. You are a gigolo. Glaringly. Ó clear pa. On a clean slate, you are a gigolo. Because that singular thing that you did, on ba omo, till a girl that they put with, living with, more or less like almost school. Almost school. Don't gbé pẹ̀lú Sisi Alagbo. O de ń bá sùn. Sisi Alagbo on record there. What? Ejo? Am I the only one not thinking this thing? But this is not normal. Even if the person is Sisi Alagbo's friend, is it normal for Sisi Alagbo's husband Akemi tí ó bá kí n ṣe pé gigolo ni? If he's not a gigolo, how will he feel okay to be knocking somebody else? Yeah, irresponsible Sisi Alagbo. Gbogbo obìnrin ló àwọn obìnrin ó ríta. Yan ríta, but kì í ṣe bí ti tẹ́lẹ̀. Eléyìí tẹ́yin ṣe yìí is a criminal act. Somebody is saying the girl is the side chick of Engineer Kewu. She has maintained relationship with the useless man. I don't know. I do not know. The story is that the girl, they brought her to the family by the mother. The mother brought her. So if Engineer Kewu or whatever you people call him is knocking the girl, ṣé ọyàn dáadáa nìyẹn? Wo, Sisi Alagbo, you are sorry to use the word, you are finished. And you know, I don't know why your own case, ó ti fast you. Kama tie yo ti fast you, ó mú fura wá. Get out, Madam Mewalaka Alabosi Oshisebi, you said the video don't dey since January, but never in public play. But immediately you, Mewa, said it on Facebook in less than 48 hours. The video is you love her, but you opened her. I beg you go, jare, Lara, you know, Elijah saw. Yeah, Elijah can show you people will not allow us say it. Gbogbo yon lalabosi. You, it's people like you, people that won't allow us to say it. Be it's out last year, is it good what they did? Ẹ gbàgbé yẹn. Forget the other one. It will open wish rash. Is it good? They said the true you is what you do when nobody is there. Is that action nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe yẹn? Ṣé ìwọ tó sọ̀rọ̀ tó comment rádaràda? How will you feel if you are the one, or your daughter or our daughter is the one that is the third party? I'm not talking about Sisi Alagbo. Bó ṣá ṣe wùn ní kó ṣe fi òbò ẹ̀gbá mítà. Kó tó àdògán mọ́ ẹ̀dọ́gbọ̀n sórí I don't care about ẹni tó fi ìyá Ikimot sílẹ̀ tó describe bóun ṣe bá ìyá Ikimot sùn online. Ṣé ẹ̀yin ni ọkùnrin? Wàláì tàláì bó jẹ́ òun ní sìn. And the two of them, I will tell us that we don't care. Why are you talking about Mewalaka? Why not face the main issue? Ṣé nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe yìí ṣó dáa? What they did, is it good? Ẹ má máa rí nǹkan tó the truth báyìí. Ẹ má máa rí òótọ́ báyìí. Ẹ má máa rí òótọ́ báyìí. Ẹ máa pa làpálàpá káàkiri gbogbo bẹ̀. Kí ni nǹkan tí Mewalaka ṣe? Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé Mewalaka ló tiẹ̀ wá sọ, okay, so what? Ṣé Mewalaka ló ṣe ni? Ṣé òun ló ṣe? Why did they do such a thing is the question. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Don't take the bone of contention. The problem here, the issue here is that thing that they did show right? Show that? Is it good? What's your name? Sisi Alagbo. Ó ti gba ọkọ lọ́kọ náà. You have snatched the guy. Okay, good. Then the guy is now sleeping with somebody you know. There you are recording. Ẹ gbà mí. Àbí mi nìkan ni mo normal nílé ayé ni. Am I the only normal person in the world? So, call me Mewalaka there. Forget Mewalaka sing. Gbàgbé ọ̀rọ̀ Mewalaka. Forget Mewalaka. If Mewalaka doesn't come out to say it and later on people see the video, is this what is it right? Ṣé nǹkan tá ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí ṣé ó right? And you people are going round and round, going round and round. Kan wé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, wé lẹ́wà, wé lẹ́gàrí, wé líkìníkọ. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sójú ọ̀rọ̀, ẹ kọjú abẹ́ níkò. Go straight to the point. Nǹkan tí ò dá kò lórúkọ méjì, kò dání. Call a spade a spade. What these people did, it is Sodom and Gomorrah. Ó wà highly immoral. Rádaràda òṣì. Burúkú ni is a criminal act. It's a criminal act. Nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe àrírú ẹ̀rí tuntun rèé, ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú ni. Forget it. Tiwa, when we saw Tiwa, ara ẹ̀ ni. If it's Sisi Alagbo and Ejina Koran ló ṣe, wàláì, a máa bá ṣe máa sọ Tiwa, we will carry our mouth and pack inside. Kọ̀kọ̀ kan wá. Kí wọ́n tó àdògán 4 million sókó àbàtò bára wọn. Bloody business wọn ni wọ́n because àrán wọn náà. But on this matter, nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe show right. Show right. Especially because this guy has been labeled gigolo. Ìwà gigolo gangan rèé. He is a gigolo, a chronic one at that. And he's also a rapist. Rapist ni. Ajá ni lóbò gbà ni. Rapist ni. How you to think of it? How is the girl going to be comfortable? Tí ìyàwó ọkùnrin yẹn tó wà ńbẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ tún sọ mama pa àbí kí ni wọ́n sọ pé ó sọ yẹn tó dẹ̀ video. You to look at it. How show ẹ̀yin náà Esototo, just sit down and think of it. They must have human trafficked that girl. Kò sí ẹni tó lè bá mi sọ. Something isn't right about those two people. Sisi Alagbo and Watimash, and this is most likely not their first time. It's a common act within them. They are horrible. I don't know who introduced who, but from what Godmother is saying, most likely it is this engineer, Koron, that has introduced Sisi Alagbo into this demonic lifestyle. Demonic lifestyle. And she's cool with it. Tí òun náà bá jẹ́ ọmọ tó dá. Wọ́n á gbogbo èèyàn ló rárẹ̀, gbogbo obìnrin ló spere. Èmi lè máa aspere jura wa lọ. Ta ni oríta? Wọ́n ní àgbàbúra bí wọ́n ṣèwé rí. But èwe bí àwọn tó wọ́n bá máa ṣèwé wàá fi ra iṣẹ́. Wàá fi ra iṣẹ́. Why this? Why this way? Why they? Bẹ́ẹ̀ pé wọ́n initiate àwọn èèyàn ni now. They should have used Yeye Ikmot. They should have used her. Abi. They should have. At least why are they using somebody else? Our people here normal. Yes, that's the word. Psycho. What madding gone? Whoa, normal. Ọ̀rọ̀ wọn need kí wọ́n check wọn kó dẹ̀ ṣe ẹ̀wọ̀n. Wọ́n need ẹ̀wọ̀n. Because they need to isolate them from human being. And if they go and check their phone, wari oríṣiríṣi. I can imagine anybody that keeps their child where that guy is. I even pity Ìyá Ikmon. Kó má jẹ́ kí bọ̀bọ́ yẹn súnmọ́ àwọn ọmọ tó ti bí tẹ́lẹ̀. See, if obìnrin bá wà nù wọn. Somebody that can sleep with somebody. Tó máa lè máa do ẹni yẹn níwájú ẹni tó pè níyàwó ẹ̀ tí wọ́n fídíò ẹ̀. Ẹ sá fún. Kò sí yàtọ̀ wọn àti bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà gan ṣe tó yẹ kó tó ṣe ẹ̀wọ̀n 5 years. Ẹ sá fún. This kind of people, you can't keep anybody with them. Ẹni tí ò ní. Oh, by right, ọkùnrin tó bá, when you see somebody else, kò yẹ kó okó ẹ̀ ò líle láti bá ẹlòmíì sùn. But oko to unle, that means it's not his first time doing 4-some, 3-some, with meta-some, marun-some. He's a gigolo. Bí gigolo wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe nìyẹn. Akóṣìbóró ni wọ́n. Onídọ̀tí Ọlọ́run ni wọ́n. Ohun tún ṣe tiẹ̀ talakamania way ni, because wọ́n ní gbogbo kíní ẹ̀ ó ti gan. Pé gbogbo takakata pako ẹ̀ ó ti dọ̀tí, pé gbogbo ẹ̀ ní kúrú náà, pé gbogbo ẹ̀ rí bàṣàbàṣà. Onídọ̀tí Ọlọ́run. Onídọ̀tí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ tán. There's no excuse kankan. I don't want to hear Mewalaka is alabosi, Mewalaka is aladagan. I'm not interested in Mewalaka being alabosi. I am interested in the act. Gbogbo ìtẹ́ sọ yẹn. Èèyàn kan ló máa jẹ́ whistleblower. And as far as many of you are concerned, it's not Mewalaka that sent it to you people. Yeah, she's was once upon a time a godmother, and of course she's angry towards them, especially because this was what she had warned the god's daughter against. Pe bobo yo sharai o shinyan lele. So it was sent to her, but is she the one that sent it to many of you that saw it? I don't even care. That's none of my business. Whoever sent it to you people, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣá wò, ẹjọ́ tẹ́ mú wá, nǹkan tá gbọ́ tẹ́ sọ pé ẹ rí. Èmi ò wò, mi ò dẹ̀ ní interest, torí mi ò lè wá wo nǹkan tí mo máa fi bì for 1 week. Jíjò mi, mo fẹ́ kó jẹ́ natural jíjò, mi ò fẹ́ kó jẹ́ àwọn sickly jíjò. Àrí okó tó ní kúrú náà mi need ẹ̀. So, on this note, I'm not interested in who said. Tiwa Savage, were we interested in who said? Were we interested in who said? It's her body. Everybody look it, everybody kára wọlé. Òun ló mọ bó ibi tó ti bá òun. But on this case, why did they involve other people? And also, why did they throw out the video? Why did they throw out the video? Was it Mewalaka that videoed the scene? Was it Mewalaka that videoed the scene? Maybe it was Sisi Alagbo that videoed the scene. How did the world get to see it? Because we talk, we don't reason. Some of you talk, you don't engage. Talk, reason, engage. Nǹkan tí fẹ́ kọ yìí tí mo fẹ́ sọ jáde táwọn èèyàn tó ní ọpọlọ tó rí wọn pé reasonable man tí wọ́n bá kà ṣé wò ní sọ pé orí òun ò pé ṣá. What is Mewalaka? So ṣé Mewalaka ló video? Was she at the scene? Was she the naked person on at the scene? Was she the girl that they were knocking? Was she the one holding Koran? Sọ̀rọ̀ síbi tọ́rọ̀ wà ká move ká sọ̀rọ̀ síbi tọ́rọ̀ wà ká sọ call a spade a spade.
Ló bá rìn mo fẹ́ kó wà nínú record ẹ̀yin ló bá rìn tẹ́ ẹ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ẹ̀yin lájẹgbọ́dọ̀ tó wẹ́ni kúnra ẹ̀yin lẹ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ẹ̀yin ló darapọ̀ mọ́ tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ da kàríà rẹ̀ rú Ọlọ́run adé ẹ̀ túṣe ṣùgbọ́n Eniola yẹn sọ wípé ìwọ ló sọ wípé fantasy ẹni yẹn sọ wípé ìwọ ló demand fún màá tún sọ bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ ó yé mi ó yé tó o bá dẹ̀ ní nǹkan tí bàbá yìí ti ní lọ́wọ́ tó fi ń blackmail Eniola you are already down.
Exactly.
You who is down fears no fall. This is the worst that can happen to anybody. This is your opportunity to speak out and break yourself free from this shackle. This marriage will not end well.
Of course, definitely.
We congratulate Yaikima for standing strong.
So Edwin. Mo
funi àdúrà pé Ọlọ́run àtúbọ̀ jẹ́ kó máa stand strong.
Ojú
tí àwọn tó sọ wípé kán má béèrè ẹ̀ mọ́ kán má délé mọ́. Ọlọ́run ti gbèjà ẹ. Má jẹ́ kó pàrọwà burúkú fún ẹ o. Má jẹ́ kó gbà ẹ́ ní àmọ̀ràn burúkú o. Ojú táwọn ọmọ ẹ. Ìrànlọ́wọ́ á dìde. Mo dẹ̀ wá fi àsìkò yìí bẹ̀bẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá fẹ́ ràn ìyá Ikima lọ́wọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má hesitate. Ẹ bá mi ràn lọ́wọ́. She needs all the financial help. Àwọn tó block ẹ láti má rí oore gbà wọ́n ṣe tí wọ́n ní o.
Ṣé wọ́n tún block ìyá Ikima ni?
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi ràn lọ́wọ́. She's a good woman.
Okay.
Okay.
So far, in my own, on this matter, whoever that girl is, I think they said her name is it Bosse? I can't remember now. Whoever that girl is, you have a case. You have a case. Engineer Nyegogon, a case of rape can be levied against him. I can see he is culpable. You have a case. Yeah, you have a case. Whatever threat, whatever it is that you are going through, you need to speak up. You need to come out. You need to go, not out and talk on the social media. I'm not talking social media. I'm not talking about, okay, Eniola. I'm not talking about fracas. I'm talking about you acting. You need help. Those two people, I don't care if Sisi Alagbo decides to say, Ohun náà fẹ́ lọ sẹ́wọ̀n, Ohun fairy tale, àbí what did they say, fairy kini kan ni. I don't care. The fact pé ó gbé camera dání báyìí, she is an aider and an abetter. Or aid. She's also culpable. The intention is there. Pé wọ́n mọ̀ ó video kini yẹn ni. Sorry, I'm coming. I'm on mini. I'm on a live chat. I'm on a live chat. Can you just video those? Can you just video what I told you to do? I'm on a live chat. So Sisi Alagbo's name is Eniola, not the third. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm on a live chat. You are disturbing the live chat. I'm on a live chat. You are cutting it off. Okay. Eniola Alagbo has started threatening her. Who is she threatening? They have started threatening the girl. Yeye, but they said the video Eniola too. She video Eniola too. Okay, they said she video Eniola too. I was guessing. I guessed that she must have done the video for Eniola. But why did they throw her own out? That's why the truth, the other lady, don't worry. Ibi tí mo gbọ́dé rè. If furthermore, where I heard it up to Limo buying Soleni, that's what I've discussed up to here. Let me hear more. I was just guessing. I said most likely seeing Eniola naked, yes, Sisi Alagbo, most likely she too, they took turn. Engineer first knack am. She video, the girl video, before this girl come knack am. What led to it? How did the girl come into their life? Is it true? All the stories we've heard, the mother brought her to live with them. And why is it that Danku Kukute was now knocking that girl? Are you making sense for me? Why was it then on that girl, knocking that girl? So far, I was only guessing before. I haven't heard up to, from the videos that I have listened to, from what you people had to say regarding the fact that Eniola was also naked, I assumed that most likely they took turns. The useless Danku guy already knocked her. Eniola ó wá gùn lórí ọmọ ọlọ́mọ kejì. Who released the video? It was alleged that it is that short guy that released the video. Why did he release the video? In fact, stories have it that there's even a part 2. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́tí wò ẹ mọ̀. Part 1. Only part 1 and 2. If the first is mistake, is the second also a mistake? If the first is a mistake, can there be a second mistake on the same issue or on the same matter? Of course not. It's intentional. Okay, when you done, I already posted the girl's confessions on my page. Okay. The girl that was the victim, the girl that was with them. Okay, I have to listen to it. You understand? Wakaba, I will listen to it. When I listen to it, then I will come back, and to me, a moral issue. The mother trusts you with that child. Yes, so far, but I don't know what the girl's confession is now. Let me go and I will listen to it. By the grace of God, I will come out and then furthermore talk about it. But but so far, this is where I am. They are for now. Àwọn méjèèjì is Sisi Alagbo. I can't believe Sisi Alagbo can be threatening the girl. I don't think so. But I saw Sisi Alagbo saying that she's about to die. I think she has even deactivated because I can't find her page.